Sometimes we have a student who has fallen behind or maybe missed a lot of school, and we need to communicate to them, possibly their parents, maybe even a resource teacher or student services, what they're missing. One way to do that without showing all the grades is to go into the grade book and then to the right of the student's name, click on the little bar graph next to their name. That will generate a report of sorts in a new tab that outlines the student's work for the grading period and by category. So if you needed to share this, say for a student, you could print. So I'm going up to Chrome, I'm going to choose File and Print. And on the print screen, rather than choosing Follow Me AirPrint, I'm going to do Save as PDF. And when I choose Save as PDF, I'm going to save. I'm going to make sure I give it a name, which in this case I'm going to give it the student's name. Pay attention to where it is saving. Then I can attach that PDF to an email for the student, the parent, or whoever may need that. If I wanted to put a little more information on this PDF, it opens up in preview, and so I can use some of the tools on the preview toolbar. So for example, this one that is the highlights and notes, if I click that one and I can also choose a color next to it, I can highlight specific parts of this document. So for example, if I wanted to go and highlight the ones that were missing, I could go across and do that for each missing assignment. Then I would want to make sure that I obviously save it so that any changes I make are saved to this. I could also use the markup tool and add a text box to this as well. Now, one really cool thing about this PDF is that each of these assignments are actually a link to the assignment in Schoology. So as a student receiving this, I could actually click on this link and go right into Schoology and find that specific assignment. Now, obviously, this doesn't work the exact same as a parent because they don't have the same login rights as a student would. Hopefully, this could be a helpful way for you to inform others about what a student is missing.